shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Hello there, Stephanie Camerman, the Stock Whisperer, here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whispers for May 11th, 2020. Happy Monday. Let's start with the SPY. I'm going to be bullish above that dark pool level. Yeah, that 293.32, that's an 8 million. They were selling last week, the week before right here. And that's why I'm going to be bullish only if we go above that. We up thrusted. Yep, and we hit this 161 exponential moving average. See this silver one? Yeah, it's a really good one. 161 EMA. Put it on your daily chart. It's amazing. I originally put it on my chart for commodities, gold and oil, but I realized it's good for everything. So go ahead. It's free. Enjoy it. Bear below 290.50, and we went below that already. Looks like a retracement trade back to the 4 EMA. If we can't hold the 4, we'll most likely come down to the 8. But watch that 290.65. That's a 13 million level as well, and we are below that as well. So that's going to be really key. These two levels, I bolded them right here. Those are the majors to watch. We haven't had anything really big besides that. Let's go to the E-minis. Bullish above 29.20, and you can see the E-minis already coming down to the 8, kind of leading the way. Yeah, they should bounce off that 8 level. You can see I wrote retracement to the 8 EMA. Yeah, if you can't hold it, then these are our next levels going down for the E-minis. Let's go to the IWM, the Russell. Also up thrusting this morning. Bullish above 132.50 and bear below 130.80. We've already gone down and hit that 130.12 target. Yep. And watch the 4. Again, the next set trade would be the 4 to the 8 for the Russell if it can't hold the 4. Let's go to the QQQs. QQQs also up thrusting this morning. Bullish above 225 and bear below 223.25. Let's go to the NASDAQ futures. Yeah, if you can't see my screen, just go ahead and refresh those double arrows over there, and you should see it in the Java pit or the training pit, by the way. NASDAQ futures, bullish above 92.40. And bear below 91.75. Let's go to the oil futures. Give me a moment to get those up here. Yep, we're kind of flat on the oil futures. We just hit that Camarilla. Look at that. Love these things. These things are so powerful. If you don't have these on your chart, put them on your chart. What's the matter with you? They're amazing. See how it hit it perfectly? Yeah, look at that. And then it couldn't hold this Camarilla, and now it's coming down. Most likely will come down to here. So, yeah, the oil futures bullish above 24.50. And see how I put Camarilla resistance? Yep, 25.33 we hit. And so if we ever go above one of my levels, you just go up to the next pivot. Yeah, and that's how we get those levels. Now, if we go above 25.58, then I would be bullish to go to 26.02. However, bear below 23.80. That's all the way down here. Yep. Now, whenever new volume comes in, new volume bars, yeah, you can go ahead and change your levels, bearish below those as well. So let's go to the gold futures. Let's see what those guys are doing. All right, gold futures, you know what we're going to watch this week is we're going to watch, this is a really key level. Yeah, let's see if we can close above this trend line. Yeah, we're kind of in the middle right now. But that's really the key level I'm watching for gold. However, day trading bullish above 1706 for a retracement back to person's pivot. See that? And CR, they're pretty close. So it's kind of a magnet. Should be resistance when it hits there. Bear below 1692.50. All right, let's go on and head over to the major stocks. We're going to start with Tesla. Thank you so much, Paul, for always mapping this out. In the morning, I went a little bit higher than 800 because there was a lot of moving averages on the 5-minute chart, and you really want free clearance on Tesla. I want to be above the 200 exponential and 200 simple moving average. So that's why I picked 812.50 this morning. Bear below 780 for Tesla. We're going to go on over to American Airlines. Yeah, so American Airlines came back up to the 8 EMA, hit it on the head, and is starting to move down again. So I'll only be bullish if we can break above that, above 1020, bear below 975. You can see that's been a support level this morning. Yep, so that's why I picked that level, bear below. Let's go to Apple. Apple, bullish above 310. It up thrusted on a major level this morning, so that's why we want to watch that 310. Bear below 307.50, and we've been holding that in that range. Yeah, if we lose it, most likely we'll come down to the 4 EMA. Let's go to Carnival. Carnival, bullish above 1420. Pretty much a doji right now, sitting on the 8 EMA. Bear below 1360 for Carnival. Let's go to Cody. C-O-T-Y. Cody, we're going to be bullish above 625. And you can see there's a lot of room here on the daily chart. And I'm going to be bearish below 512 because we had these massive prints that came in at 570 and then another 2 million at 522. So that's why I would be bearish below here. All right, this is like my no trading zone. You can get chopped around, but this thing could have a big move, so keep an eye on those levels. Delta has a lot of pre-market volume. And pretty much the same thing like American Airlines, came up to that 8 EMA and turning down once again. So bear below 22, only bullish above 2260. Wells Fargo. Yeah, this one had massive dark pool activity. Putting out a blog today on it as well, which should be out soon. Also put this in my dark pool insights. I mean, I'm putting this everywhere. You gotta watch Wells Fargo. Something dirty's going on. There's a lot. Look at this volume. This is massive. Mega volume. Mega prints. We have those 4 million prints at 25.64. However, there's a buyer on the book. Who is this at 25? Yeah, this guy's holding it up. We'll see. So that's why I went to bearish below 24.80 this morning. See, there's a guy also at 24.80 on the book to buy. Yep. That's why I picked those levels. So watch those carefully. However, if we do go up and close above all the prints, I'll put my bull hat on, my bull suit, and I'll do a little bull dance. All right. So those are really the key levels to watch. No thinking. Caterpillar. Caterpillar's below massive prints right now. Yeah, we had some pretty big ones at 112.77 and 114. Yeah, so I'll only be bullish above 114, bear below 109.50 for Caterpillar. Definitely a lot of pre-market activity this morning. Let's go to Under Armour. And thank you, Doug. Doug, a.k.a. Powerlines, for that chart you just posted in the Java Pit. And congratulations on Trader of the Week. Yeah, you really helped so many traders in the room, and that's what the Java Pit is all about. So thank you so much for sharing your talent with us. UA, bullish above, and nice trading, by the way, too. Yeah, he rocked beyond, you guys. UA, bullish above 906, and bear below 837, and we went below that already. Looks like we're hitting, we hit our first target, 822. Yeah, so watch the 820 second test, but don't forget about that last eighth. Yeah, that's why this is my next target, 812. Last eighth and the first eighth are the two most expensive eighths in the entire world. You guys know that. Let's go to Norwegian. NCLH, bullish above 1260 and bear below 1162. Just be careful, it has earnings coming up. Yeah, earnings are coming up on May 14th. That's soon. In fact, I'm going to put that right here. May 14th. Earnings before the market opens. Yep. Let's go to bearish below 1162 for that, by the way. Let's go to GDX. Yeah, GDX had a lot of nice volume, bullish above 35. Just be careful, you know, 35.13, there's a little Camarilla resistance there. So see, it may pause, see if it can pop above that. Bear below 33.75. And let's not forget about TLT, one of my best trades last week. This week I'll be bullish if we could break above that 166.13 print. So 166.20. Bear below 163. It's bearish. We just really pretty much did a retrace. You know, we come down and hit the 50 simple moving average. We retraced. And now we are below the 50, you guys. This could be the big kahuna trade. But yeah, we're below a lot of massive prints. And don't forget TBF. We are above all those massive prints on TBF. You guys remember those? Yeah, that was huge. This is the inverse for TLT. Yep, something's going on with the bonds. There you have it. Those are your whispers for May 11th, 2020. Until next time, happy trading.
That's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.